Hello, welcome to EV News World. Today is 1st May 2026. To quickly jump into our featured EV, it is the Tata Motors Punch EV, and it is a successful EV model with impressive demand in the Indian market. So, here are the details for the medium range trim. First, it's manufactured by Tata Motors and it is classified as a battery electric compact SUV. It is sold around the 12.59 lakh price mark in Indian rupees, which is roughly about 13,576 US dollars. Its initial production year was 2024 and the model discussed here is for 2026. The country of origin is India. For the powertrain details, it has a front motor front-wheel drive and the motor is made by Taco Prestolite Electric. The motor is a permanent magnet synchronous AC motor with 60 kilowatts of power and 154 Nm of torque. The transmission type is a conventional single-speed direct drive reduction gear. For the power supply, the Tata Motors Punch EV medium range has a 337-volt, 30 kWh lithium-ion battery. The battery has prismatic cells in an orthogonal configuration. The SUV's value, considering a new MSRP, is very impressive at 9,146 Indian rupees or 96 US dollars per mile and 5,684 Indian rupees or 60 US dollars per kilometer. For the EV performance, the numbers are only okay, with an estimated 227 kilometers of range per the EPA, that's 141 miles. The WLTP range is around 265 kilometers and the estimated CLCT range is 323 kilometers. The EPA estimated efficiencies are good, with 177 km PGE or 110 mpge or 22 kilowatts per 100 miles. It is also estimated to use 130 watt-hours per kilometer. For the chassis, the platform name is called Acti.EV or Active. Its architecture is based on 400 volts. The EV has 5 doors and holds 5 passengers, including the driver. Its boot space is not impressive at only 366 liters. The vehicle dimensions in millimeters are the following. Wheelbase is 2,445, overall length is 3,880, overall width is 1,742, and overall height is 1,622. Its curb weight is 1,300 kilograms. For charging, it is equipped with a J1772 and CCS2 combo port with a maximum AC charging speed of 7.2 kilowatts and 65 kilowatts for DC. For its sales numbers, since 2024, it has sold a vigorous 45,000 units to date. The only current available market is India. For safety features, the SUV has 6 airbags, electronic stability program, anti-lock brakes, parking sensors, and intelligent tire pressure monitoring system. The EV has received 5 out of 5 stars from the Bharat NCAP.